Hello students, today we will learn some problems based on definite integral. In previous video we have learned all the properties of definite integral. So just you go through all the properties. We have done proof also. So you learn all the properties. Now today we will solve numerical problems using properties of definite integral and some other problems which are very important in examination. Now let us see some examples. The first example, that is very simple. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 under root cos x upon under root sin x plus cos x dx. We have to evaluate it. Now here we will apply the property. This is mark it as equation number 1. Now here we will apply the property 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property will apply. So what happen? I becomes 0 to pi by 2 cos 0 a is pi by 2. So cos a minus x, so cos 90 minus x, that is sin x. So in numerator it becomes sin x. In denominator it is sin 90 minus x, that is cos x, and plus cos 90 minus x, that is under root sin x dx. Mark it as equation number 2. Mark it as equation number 2, and then we will add these two equations. So from 1 and 2 on adding, from 1 and 2 on adding, what we'll get? 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now you add it. So in denominator it is same, under root sin x plus under root cos x, under root sin x plus under root cos x. So denominator is same. Here denominator is same. So that means you will get under root sin x plus under root cos x. So this is under root sin x plus under root cos x. So in numerator what you will get? Under root sin x plus under root cos x. Under root sin x plus under root cos x, and this is dx. So on adding you will get this much. Now let us see, numerator and denominator both are same, so these two cancel out, these two factors. So what will get? Integration of dx only, and limit is 0 to pi by 2. So that means integration of dx is what? X, and limit is 0 to pi by 2. So it becomes pi by 2 minus 0, and that is pi by 2. So it is 2i. So 2i is equal to 0 pi by 2. So therefore I, that is the value of integral, is pi by 4. So this is the required. Now let us see the next example. This is very important question. Sometimes it is used in numerical problems also directly. You will get the result. So this question is very important even for MCQ also. Prove that 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx, that is minus pi by 2 log 2. So this question was asked in CBSE 2007, 8 and even 13 also. Now let us see this question. Let this we have to prove. So now let I is equal to here 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Now here we will use the property 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Whenever we use any property, it is better you write on the right side, so that this property we have used. So it is better always you must write the property. So now after that you will use this property. So this becomes sin 90 minus x, that is cos x. So this is 0 to pi by 2 log sin 90 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x dx. That is I. So mark it as second equation and this as first equation. So now this is the first proof of this one, that is 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Now on adding these two, from 1 and 2 on adding, what will get? 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x dx whenever we add it. Now we know the property log a plus log b, that is log a into b. By using this property, this becomes 0 to pi by 2 log sin x cos x dx. Log a plus log b, that is log a into b. Now after that what we'll do? We'll multiply here 2 and divided by 2 to convert it into in the form of sin 2x. So multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So now what it becomes? 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x dx. And one property we know that log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. So this becomes minus log a minus log b. So log b means log 2 dx. Log 2 is a constant, so we will take it outside, that is integration of dx 0 to pi by 2. So this is 2i. Now we will take substitution. 2x, let 2x is equal to t. 2 dx becomes dt. And after that we will change the limit. Now if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 implies that t is also 0. And if x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, t becomes pi. So this integral becomes 2i is equal to log integration log sin 2x means t, sin t, and dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to dt by 2. So that is dt by 2 means 1 by 2, and now you take the limit. So limit will be x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, and at pi by 2 it becomes pi. So now limit is from 0 to pi. And next one, log 2 is a constant, integration dx, that is x, and if you take the limit from 0 to pi by 2, it becomes pi by 2 minus 0, that is minus pi by 2 log 2. Now here we will use the property 0 to 2a fx dx, that is 2 times 0 to a fx dx. 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a fx dx becomes 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Condition is when f of 2a minus x is equal to fx. F of 2a minus x is equal to fx. So now let us check sin pi minus t. Sin pi minus t is equal to sin t. Sin pi minus t sin f 2a minus x. 2a is what? Pi. So sin pi minus t is equal to sin t, and that is fx. That is fx. So what happened? It becomes 2 times 0 to a fx dx. So what we can write, 2i is equal to half 2 times, now limit is 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 cancel out. So this becomes 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt minus pi by 2 log 2. Log sin t. Now one property also we know that 0 to a fx dx becomes 0 to a ft dt, that is a to b fx dx becomes ft dt, a to b. So by using this property, now you write the property here, a to b fx dx is equal to a to b ft dt. By using this property, we can write it as 2i, that is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. And this is nothing but 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, that is nothing but it is I. So this is I minus pi by 2 log 2, that is 2I, implies that I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. So this is required proof of this question. 0 log sin x dx is same as 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx is same as minus pi by 2 log 2. That is the required solution. Now let us see another example. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx, that is equal to pi by 8 log 2. The question was asked in 2007, 11 and 13. Now let us see the solution of this question. So let this is I. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Here we will use the property 0 to a f x dx, that is 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So the property that we will use 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property will use. Now what it becomes? I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log a minus x 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x bracket close dx. So this becomes 0 to pi by 4 log in bracket 1 plus, here we will use tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b means tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b, and tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So what we can write it as 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x, this is dx. So the next step is 0 to pi by 4 log, cross multiply it. So what it becomes? 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx. Tan x cancel out. So this becomes 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1, it is 2 upon 1 plus tan x dx. So this becomes 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 1 plus tan x dx. And the property that we will use is log a upon b. Log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. So we will use the property. So I becomes 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. This is nothing but 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx is nothing but this is I. So this is again I, and log 2 is a constant, so take it outside log 2, and integration dx of dx is equal to x. So whenever you take the limit x from 0 to pi by 4, it becomes pi by 4 minus 0. So that is pi by 4 minus I. So that is 2I. So this is this is I. I is equal to pi by 4 log 2 minus I. So now I on this side. So this implies that what it becomes? 2I is equal to pi by 4 log 2. So this implies that I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. So this is the required solution of this example. Now let us see next example. Let us see next example. 0 to pi x tan x dx upon sec x plus tan x dx. We have to prove it pi by 2 in bracket pi minus 2. Now this question was asked in CBSE 2008 and 2010. So once again this question is an important question. Now let us see solution. So I is equal to 0 to pi x tan x dx divided by sec x plus tan x. this is 1. Now here we'll check pi minus x, tan pi minus x, minus sec pi minus x, minus sin sec x, tan pi minus x, minus tan x. So we'll apply the ident property here, 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So by using this property, it becomes I is equal to 0 to pi minus x, tan pi minus x is equal to minus tan x divided by sec pi minus x is equal to sec x, and tan pi minus x is equal to minus tan x. So numerator minus and minus minus cancel out. So it becomes pi minus x tan x upon sec x plus tan x dx. Mark it as equation number 2. So now you just see it, if we add these two, in denominator it is same, in denominator it is same, in numerator it is x tan x. So x tan x will be cancel out and we will take pi common. So now from 1 and 2, on adding 2i becomes pi integration 0 to pi tan x minus x tan x cancel out because denominator is same, so LCM is same. So x tan x cancel out, pi take outside, it becomes pi tan x divided by sec x plus tan x dx. On adding this, these two will get this much. So now we have to simplify this integral. So we can change it into sin and cos. We can directly simplify it by multiplying its conjugate. So whenever we'll multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this, so what it becomes, 0 to pi times tan x, and in bracket this is sec x minus tan x. In denominator it is sec x plus tan x, in one bracket, in other bracket sec x minus tan x dx. A plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square, and sec square x minus tan x square is equal to 1. So we'll use this property, identity, sec square x minus tan square x, that is 1. So it becomes pi 0 to pi tan x in bracket sec x minus tan x dx. So that is 2i becomes pi 0 to pi. Now multiply these two, that is sec x tan x and minus tan square x. So that is sec x tan x minus tan square x, and tan square x, what we will write, tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1, because 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So tan square x becomes sec square x minus 1. So minus sign is outside, so minus sec square x and minus plus 1, it is dx. Now integrate 1 by 1. This we can integrate sec x tan x, and so this is pi, integrate 1 by 1, integration of sec x tan x dx, integration of sec x tan x dx is sec x. So it is sec x, and limit is from 0 to pi, minus integration of sec square x dx, that is tan x, limit from 0 to pi, and plus 1 is nothing but this is integration dx, so that is x, limit from 0 to pi. So what it becomes, that is pi, 2i is equal to pi sec pi is minus 1. So minus 1 minus sec 0 is again 1. So this is sec pi minus sec 0, sec pi is minus 1 minus minus 1 minus tan pi is 0 and tan 0 is 0. So it becomes 0 minus 0, that is 0, plus x, that is pi minus 0. So what it becomes? Pi, in bracket it is minus 2 and plus pi. So that is pi minus 2, that is 2i. So therefore I is equal to pi by 2 in bracket pi minus 2, which is required solution. So I is what? Pi by 2, pi minus 2, that is the required solution. Now we'll consider next example. Now let us see this example. We have to find out the value of 0 to pi by 4 integration sin x plus cos x dx divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x. This question was asked in CBSE 2018. So yes, the factor sin 2x is an important factor. One thing you have to be take care of in this sin 2x. So sin 2x we will write 1 minus, in bracket 1 minus sin 2x. So you have to be take care of sin 2x if such type of questions are given. So how you will eliminate sin 2x? Now let us see. So that is 0 to pi by 4, it is sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16. This sin 2x will write 1 minus sin 2x. That is an important point and important steps. So here it is 1 minus sin 2x. So what it becomes? 1 minus 1 cancel out, minus minus plus, again you will get 16 sin 2x. So why we have break in this form? Because 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x and sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So it becomes sin x minus cos x whole square. So in next step this I becomes 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 16 plus 9, 25. So this is 25, 16 plus 9, 25 minus 16, in bracket it is sin x minus cos x whole square dx. Now in next step we will take, let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. So what it becomes? This implies that on differentiation cos x differentiation minus, so minus minus plus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now at x is equal to 0, when we take, now we change the limit, we will take the limit x at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, what it becomes? At x is equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, so it becomes minus 1. So t is equal to minus 1, it becomes minus 1. Now at x is equal to pi by 4, at x is equal to pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel out. So now t becomes 0. So integration becomes I is equal to 0, that is minus 1, and pi by 4, that is 0, sin x plus cos x dx, that is dt. So numerator becomes dt divided by 25 minus 16 t square. Now this is an special integral, this is an special integral. So we will simplify by using formula of special integral. Now take 16 common. If you take 16 common, it becomes minus 1 to 0 dt upon 5 by 4 whole square minus t square. So this is of the form a square minus x square. A square minus x square is integration dx upon a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. So that is I is equal to 1 upon 16, 1 upon 2a, a is what? 5 by 4. So that is 5 and by 4 means 1 log a plus x, 5 by 4 plus t upon 5 by 4 minus t, and limit is from minus 1 to, limit is from minus 1 to 0. This is limit is from minus 1 to 0. The limit is from minus 1 to 0. So now 4 cancel out, 4 is 16, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 5 40. Now this is 40. So now take the limit. Upper limit 0. Whenever we take 0, this is 0, this is 0. So this becomes 5 by 4, this becomes 5 by 4. 5 by 4, 5 by 4 cancel out, that is log 1. And log 1 we know that this is 0. Log 1 minus log, whenever we take minus 1, minus 1 means 5 by 4 minus 1, 5 by 4 plus 1. This minus minus plus 1. So 5 by 4 minus 1, 5 by 4 minus 1, so that is 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4. In denominator 5 by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9 by 4. Now this is 1 upon 40, log 1 is 0, minus, here we will apply the formula, here we will 4 cancel out, denominator cancel out. Now this is log 1 upon 9, log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. We will use this formula. So what it becomes, minus log 1 and minus plus log 9, plus log 9. So log 1 is again 0, this is again 0. So what it becomes, 1 by 40 log 9. That is the required solution of this example. Now let us see some other examples. Now let us see this example. The question was asked in CBSE 2019 as well as in 2008. So in 19 it was asked like this: prove that 0 to a f x dx, that is 0 to a f of a minus x dx, and hence evaluate or find x upon sin x plus cos x dx, limit from 0 to pi by 2. Now this is the property that already we have done in previous video. Now let us see the question, and here we have to use this property. That's why it is given. We first prove this property and hence evaluate this one. So now let us see evaluation of this example. So limit is from 0 to pi by 2, that is x dx, and that is sin x plus cos x. Mark it as equation number 1. Here it is already given. We prove this one, so now we have to use this property. So no need to write it again. So 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So what it becomes? I becomes 0 to pi by 2 x pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x dx, sin 90 minus x, that is cos x, and cos 90 minus x, that is sin x, that is equation 2. So in denominator it is same, both denominator is same, so that means LCM is same. In numerator if you add these two, x cancel out. So from 1 and 2 on adding, from 1 and 2 on adding, so 2i becomes 0 to pi by 2, x cancel out, so that is pi by 2, so take it outside, pi by 2 integration dx upon sin x plus cos x. Now let us see here, it has two different methods. Since this is cos x plus sin x, so coefficient is 1, coefficient is 1, so we will multiply it and divide by 1 by root 2, and after that we will change it in the formula, or any one alternative method is there. Whenever such type of example is given in the form of sin x and cos x, it is better you change in the formula of tan x. So sin x we know in terms of tan x by 2, and cos x in terms of tan x by 2 we know. Now we will apply the formula. So what it becomes, pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2, that is 2i. Now it becomes dx sin x 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So what it becomes? Denominator, that is LCM, is 1 plus tan square x by 2, that is 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec square theta. So it goes in numerator. Now 2i becomes pi by 2, limit from 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2, that is sec square x by 2 dx. In denominator it is 2 tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 minus plus 1 minus tan square x by 2, tan square x by 2. So sec square x by 2 is nothing but this is differentiation of tan x by 2. So now we'll take here, let tan x by 2 is equal to t, sec square x by 2 and x by 2, that is 1 by 2, dx is equal to 1 by 2, so it becomes 2 dt. So it is 2 dt. Now change the limit, as this is the case of substitution. So at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, so tan 0 is 0, so t becomes 0. Now at x is equal to pi by 2, so it becomes pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1, so now t is equal to 1, tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, tan pi by 4, that is 1. So now this integral becomes 2i is equal to pi by 2, limit 0, and this is 1, sec square x by 2 dx, sec square x by 2 dx becomes 2 dt, so that is 2 dt divided by 2t plus 1 minus t square, 2t plus 1 minus t square. So now we have to factor 2 cancel out, 2 cancel out. Now you factorize this to convert in the form of a special integral. So now separate column you will take it as, now take minus sign common, it becomes t square minus 2t minus 1, and now what we'll do, half of coefficient of t square. So that is, we will add half of coefficient of t, that is minus 1. So we will add and subtract minus 1 square, that is 1. So just you add 1 and subtract 1, add 1 and subtract 1. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus in bracket, it is t minus 1 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 1 minus 2. So that is minus root 2 whole square. So this becomes 2i is equal to what? Pi, limit from 0 to 1, dt upon, so this integral becomes minus inside, so that is root 2 square minus t minus 1 whole square, t minus 1 whole square. So differential coefficient, if you take t minus 1 is equal to p, so differential coefficient, that is dt is equal to dp, so no change, so directly we can take it. This is in the form of dx upon a square minus x square. So integral becomes 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. So what it becomes? Pi, this is 1 upon 2a, a is root 2 log a plus x, root 2 plus t minus 1 divided by a minus x, a minus t minus 1. Now take the limit from 0 to 1. So what it becomes? It becomes, now take the limit, so that is equal to pi by 2 root 2, and that is nothing but log, take the limit, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, So this becomes root 2 upon root 2, that is 1. So this is log 1 minus log 0. Whenever you take 0, it becomes root 2 minus 1, 0 minus minus plus 1, log root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. So log 1 is what? Log 1 is what? 0. Log 1 is 0. So, and here we will use the formula minus log a upon b, that is log a minus log b. So minus sign is outside, so we will interchange it. So it becomes I is equal to pi upon 4 root 2 log root 2 plus 1 log root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. So that is the required solution. Now let us see next example. Now if you want to simplify more, so in that case what you can do it, multiplying by root 2 plus 1 root 2 plus 1. So a plus b, a minus b, this becomes root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, and this becomes root 2 plus 1 whole square. So by using the property of log, this can also be written as 1 up 4 root 2 4 root 2. So this is whole square, so it becomes 2 log into 2 log root 2 plus 1, 2 log root 2 plus 1. So 2 cancel out, 2. So that is equal to pi by 2 root 2 log root 2 plus 1 is the required solution. Now we will proceed to the next example. Let us see this example. Actually this type of example is very important. Almost in every year such type of questions asked. Only the change is in 2019 it was 1, 2, 4. In 2016 this was 2, 3, 4, and 2015 the limit was 1 to 5. The only change was from 1 to 5. So this type of questions asked maximum number of times in each year. Such type of questions are given in CBSE question paper. So that type of question is very important. Now let us see how we'll simplify it easily. So these are breaked into modulus. If you take separately and if you break and then you find the intervals, breaking of intervals, it will take more time. Now it is better always find its critical point of each of the factor given inside the modulus sign, whether it is in x plus a or it is in the form of x minus a. So find out the critical points, zeros, and you just mention the point of zeros. So this is x minus 1 becomes 0, so x becomes 1. So here you write 1, it is 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. So that means what will happen? If it is x minus 1, if it is more than or equal to 1, it is positive, and if it is less than 1, it is negative. Similarly, if it is 2 or more than 2, it is positive, that is x minus 2, and if it is less than 2, it becomes 2 minus x, that is negative. Modulus x, what modulus x we have, that is x and minus x. Condition is what? X greater than or equal to 0, x less than 0. So similarly, if it is 3 or more, it becomes x minus 3, and if it is less than 3, it is 3 minus x. Now simultaneously you will break it. So just you draw a number line. If you want, you draw a number line. This is 1 and here it is 4. So now breakings are between 2 and 3, 2 and 3 on the number line. This is on the number line. Limit from 1 to 4. So first we'll take from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, and then 3 to 4, and we'll write the value of each modulus. So I becomes, first limit is from 1 to 2. If you take 1 to 2, that means it is more than 1, less than 2. So more than 1, it is positive, so it becomes x minus 1. But it is less than 2, so that means it is negative, so it becomes 2 minus x. So that is not x minus 2, it becomes 2 minus x, minus of x minus 2. So 2 minus x. Similarly, this becomes negative, so it is 3 minus x and use dx. Another limit from 2 to 3, take another limit 2 to 3, so that means it is more than 2 less than 3. So what happened? More than 2 means this is positive, so this becomes x minus 1. More than 2, this is positive, so this becomes x minus 2, but this is less than 3, so that is this one is negative, so we will write it as 3 minus x. So plus 3 minus x in bracket, that is dx. Another limit, the last limit, that is from 3 to 4. In 3 to 4 it is more than 3, so that is positive, so it becomes x minus 1. More than 3, so that means x minus 2 is positive, so it becomes x minus 2. And more than 3, that means x minus 3 is also positive, so it is x minus 3 and whole dx. Now simplify it. So I is equal to, limit is from 1 to 2. Here x cancel out, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1, that is 4, and minus x, 4 minus x dx, plus next limit is 2 to 3, x cancel out, 2 1 3, 3 cancel out, 3 2 1 cancel out, so that is x dx, plus limit 3 to 4, x, that is 3x, 3 to 5 on 6, 3x minus 6, so take 3 common, x minus 2 dx. Now evaluate each, integrate it and take the limit 4 dx, that is 4x minus integration of x square by 2, take the limit 1 to 2, plus x square by 2, take the limit 2 to 3, plus 3 is outside the bracket, x square by 2 minus 2x and take the limit from 3 to 4. So what it becomes? Take upper limit minus lower limit. So it becomes, take 2, 4 into 2 8 minus 2 square 4 by 2, that is 2, 8 minus 2. So here you write 8 minus 2 minus lower limit 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8 minus 4 upon 2, that is 2, 8 minus 2 minus lower limit 4 into 1 4 minus 1 by 2, 4 into 1 4 minus 1 by 2, 4 minus 1 by 2. This is the first. Now second one, 3 whole square, that is 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2 is 2, 3 whole square, that is 9 by 2 minus 2 whole square 4 by 2 is 2, and plus the last one, 3 times the upper limit is 4 whole square 16 by 2 8 minus 4 into 2 8 minus 8 in bracket minus upper lower limit 3 whole square 9 by 2, that is 9 by 2 minus 3 into 2 6. Now simplify it. So 8 minus 2 6, this is 6 minus 8 minus 1 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 4 5 9 5 by 2 plus 3 times 8 minus 8 is 0. So 9 by 2 minus 6, so 2 6 12, 9 minus 12 minus 3 by 2 minus plus 3 by 2. So what it becomes? 2 6 are 12 minus 7, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 3 3, 9 by 2, denominator is same, 10 5 5 10 plus 9, 19 by 2. So this is the required solution. Now try some other questions which is asked in CBSE question paper, from CBSE question paper, and try to use the properties of a definite integral, and in some other question if you cannot use the property, so in that case simplify by it using partial fraction, by substitution you can simplify, by special integral you simplify, and at the end you take the limit to get the result. So now simplify by your own. Thank you.